Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Mr. TechFox and today I'll show you how to find previously connected Wi-Fi password. If you need the password for a previously connected network, this tutorial will help you. But before doing it, I'm requesting you to subscribe this channel and also requesting to hit that like button. Alright, let's dive right in. First of all, open command prompt from the settings or normally pressing Windows button plus R. You can also find it from the start menu by typing run. Open it. Here you have to type CMD, then press OK. Then you have to type here NETSH space WLAN show profiles. Now press again on enter. Here you will see a list of all saved networks. To see the password for a specific one, type NETSH WLAN space SHOW profile. And here you have to provide the name of the Wi-Fi network. So suppose I want to know the password of this one. So I'm choosing this and pressing Ctrl plus C to copy it. And now I'm gonna paste it here by Ctrl V. After then give a space and type key equal to clear and then press enter. And here you can see the password of this network. So this is the password. Actually it was a hotspot network of my mobile phone and I have kept the password by 11111 and so on. So that's it, how you can find previously connected Wi-Fi password on your Windows PC. I think it will help you a lot. So thanks for watching and I recommend you to watch the video carefully to type those things on command prompt. So that's it. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.